Alright, today we're doing a body mount relocation on a FJ. This kit is specifically designed for 2010 to current 4Runner, 07 to 14 FJ. I've never done one on an FJ. I didn't actually know that it worked until I read that tag. But we had a customer come in and we've done some trimming and I think a larger tire package for him. And he still had some rubbing on his body mount. So he laid out there with this this chunk of the body mount underneath the rig, and kind of looks like we can make it happen. So we're going after that today. But this replaces the factory mount with a much smaller unit and fresh bolt. So that's what we're doing the install on today. Hopefully get them some better tire clearance for driveways. Really cool customer. I'm excited to do that job.
Got tire rubbage here. We're going to take this and put a new mount on it that's going to relocate this back farther, keep the same body mount, but remove all of this gargantuan stuff.
So another reason why we like this kit and we recommend this kit is, this is the driver's side. I get the question a lot for doing the body chop with plates, and we've gotten so good at these, it's almost more efficient to cut the entire body mount off than it is to plate the stock one. The stock one can only get you so much room. This is the max option for clearance. I'll almost quote doing the chop at more money because it's a worse product in my opinion, and I would much rather do this because I think at the end of the day this is going to be a lot better result.